My name is Kira McAteer and I'm studying Animal Science Equine in UCD. So in first year you get a little taste of everything, just very base subjects on kind of business, kind of more mathsy stuff, and then animals. And then you get to pick what type of course you want to go into, if it's business, animal science, there's crop science as well. I was a bit surprised with how general the course was for the first few years, but in the end of third year and fourth year we really specialised on equine science. Yeah, well, I have ADHD, so I got a lot of help. There's Jordan Kelly. He is the student advisor for the agricultural school, and you can literally go with him about anything and he's definitely going to help you. During animal reproduction module, we got to go to UCD's in Lyons Farm in Kildare. And when we're down there, we got to put a lot of work that we'd done in the classroom into practice. So we got to learn more about the reproduction with sheep and cows, and we got to do reproductive related dissections. A lot of the people in my course went over to America, so there's a lot of placements in different parts of America, in Florida and Kentucky. I think there's opportunities to go to Japan, Australia, and the likes of them. I stayed in Ireland. I done 2 months in Equiloom, which is a blue light therapy company. They made the blue light mask, and I done lab work for them on the Cushing's disease. And then I done another 2 months on a stud farm in Dunboyne. It was a Godolphin stud farm. There's loads of clubs and societies. There's the equestrian club. You can go do lessons. You can do lessons in polo cross as well. You can go to competitions. They also organise a trip to Cheltenham every year in March. Loads of colleges from the equine societies come together and you just pop around a course of jumps and it's a bit of crack. With this course afterwards, you can go into the likes of equine nutrition and genetics. I'm looking to go into nutrition, so with my degree I can apply for a graduate program, and I think there's 3 big nutrition companies in Ireland, which is Red Mills, Gain and Alltech. I'd recommend this course for anyone who wants to get more behind the scenes in the horse industry, just the background stuff rather than being out in the yard. It is a big jump from working in the yard for basically your whole life to then sitting in the classroom for 4 years. But I think it'll be definitely worth it in the end. You can go do your own research on stuff that interests you and help out all those people that are working in the yards.